talk us through it then.
Okay, so this is a tool belt from Truss Buddy Tools. Obviously it's adjustable braces you've got here, really comfortable, and you've got the belt. It's adjustable, so if you're wearing a jacket, then obviously you can take it out a bit, or just a t-shirt like so. So yeah, so it's a quick release belt. And then these pockets we've got on the side, so there's loads of different pockets you can get from the brand, and they're attached by Velcro, so I can actually take one off.
Are they secured with
They're
Velcro?
secured by Velcro, yeah.
Yeah, but are they secure with Velcro or not?
That isn't coming off. You
Okay.
can put bricks in my pockets and that's not going to come off. Here I've got hammer holster as well on this side.
Yeah.
So quick and easy to
Blimey, look at that.
take the hammer out, put it back in. I can swap this out, and I've got like a drill holder as well, so I can take off the pocket and then put on the drill holder instead, so you can sort of take bits off as you need it. So it depends whether you're doing first fix, second fix. I'll take one off and I'll just show you how easy it is to. It's got like a double Velcro system. When you say is it secure, yeah, it's actually really hard to take off when I'm wearing it. Maybe I'll take it off to do it. It's much easier. There we go.
Yeah, okay.
And there you go.
I believe you now.
That's not coming off when you're on a roof. Yeah, as you say, look at that. It's like,
Yeah.
you can have the hammer. There's a hammer holster that I showed you. You can either have it on the left or the right. The strap will go through there. But I mean, yeah, look at that. It's like, and then you've got tape goes in there. So yeah,
that's the one that
you've got nails could go in there. Yeah. I've got all my. Yeah, I've got. I mean, this is fully adjustable. These braces as well, so you can adjust the back, get it sitting right, and then. It's just the ease of being able to put it on and off, because I had a belt before, a DeWalt one, and it was okay, but it was belt and buckle basically.
Yeah.
So it's got two holes, and it was always difficult to get both in all the time. It was like a bit fiddly, whereas this is just like ready to go. Let's go.